Myself is Deepak Agrawal, and we're close family of Dr. Modi of Rajkot, and I had a problem of sleep apnea, and then there was some breath problem. So Dr. Vikas Agrawal came to Rajkot, and I showed him, and then he suggested surgery. And today is almost 5 months, and I am so happy. The surgery is 100% successful, and I am glad that such people are in India and they are asset to the country. Thank you.
So what was your problem and what you're feeling now?
My problem was actually I was not having a deep sleep since last few years, and then now I am feeling very good. रात को हम जग जाते थे कितनी बार, 3-4 बार रात को अचानक जग जाते थे. पता नहीं लगता था. हाँ, चॉकिंग और वो सब खत्म हो गया. Zero.
And how is this snoring?
Zero.
No snoring.
No snoring at all.
And when you get up in the morning, you're fresh?
Oh, very much fresh.
Very
My
nice.
work efficiency has increased a lot.
Okay. So what all surgery was done on your nose and throat?
Throat.
So how bad was the pain?
Oh, almost negligible. I tell you, after 24 hours, not at all any pain or anything. And even when they removed the dressings, not a single drop of blood. And even after people, I have seen my cousins and all who have gone for septoplasty also, simple septoplasty. Even they have bleeding problems and all those things, but I never had a single drop of blood.
Great, thank you.